Okay, here's the question. Graph each of the following lines after changing to the form y equals mx plus b, and also find the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So here we go, and there are 5 parts, 5 different equations here. So before we get started, if we have a line, and the equation is of the form y equals mx plus b, b is the y-intercept. Now, generally speaking, there are a couple of exceptions to this, but with most lines, we can also solve for x in terms of y. So if we do that here, we get mx is equal to y minus b, and then x is equal to 1 over m times y minus b over m. And this minus b over m is the x-intercept. So that's what we're going to do with these 5 equations. We're going to go through, we're going to first solve for y, then find the y-intercept, and then we're going to solve for x and find the x-intercept. So let's get started. So equation A is y minus 2x equals 2. So if we solve for y, let's just add 2x to both sides. So this becomes y is equal to 2x plus 2. So the y-intercept is just 2. Now if we actually solve for x, let's say we subtract 2 from both sides, so we get 2x is equal to y minus 2. And then dividing by 2, we get x is equal to negative 1/2 minus 1. So that's the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 2, and negative 1 is the x-intercept. Now, if we're going to graph this, those 2 points, the y-intercept, or here, the y-intercept is 2, so that's a point of 0, 2. And then the x-intercept is negative 1, so that's a point of negative 1, 0. And the line that goes through those 2 points is the one we want to graph. All right, let's do part B, or equation B. Equation B is x plus y is equal to 6. Well, this one's not too bad. If we solve for y, we get y is equal to negative x plus 6. So the y-intercept is 6. And if we solve for x, we would get x equals negative y plus 6. So the x-intercept and the y-intercept are both equal to 6. And we can plot that. And this is, I should mark this. This is y, this is x. The y-intercept will be here at 0, 6. And the x-intercept will be here at 6, 0. And the line that goes through those is our line. I'll do equations C, D, and E in a different video here.